Welcome to FutureSource 2018. So everybody's comfortable, right? So now get ready to get uncomfortable. Your customers are constantly asking for change. You're asking us for change, and that's what we're here to talk about.
Because it comes down to one of the core components or factors of blockchain. We move from trust to truth.
There are a lot of different ways to implement that blockchain solution. It's not an easy answer. There is no single one-size-fits-all with blockchain.
Transactions are still a little clunky. I know you guys are trying to figure out how you address that. And this is why Bitcoin and the underlying technology that powers that blockchain is so powerful.
It's not necessarily the traditional commissions model that we need to be talking about. We need to get creative and think about, are there ways for us to look at profit share opportunities?
There's an opportunity to collaborate and give the customer better service, better product, innovate faster. And so the time is now, and it's up to us.
We came up with actually a new vision for the company, a new vision statement to be the leading provider of B2B payments and business intelligence to the hospitality industry. And Group Pay is a first-to-market product, and we fully expect to make a major announcement in the next several weeks about the first customer that has come on to the Group Pay product. Onyx is in a position today that we provide a lot of data around your transient business. Now we're talking about bringing the group business in. So suddenly there's two elements of the segments out there that we are capable of taking data and making that very actionable for our client base.
We want to help you solve problems. We want to create alignment. We want to create opportunities that you can actually drive your business. But I think Mark said it best, which is we feel that the data will be more valuable to you than the payments we're making.
The payments aren't the problem. That's the easy bit. It's then giving all of our partners the information that they need to understand what they've been paid for so that they can reconcile that with what they're expecting to be paid.
Just think, every time you deal with a payment, could I be doing this better? Could I be doing this more efficiently? And is there data behind this payment that could make this easier for me?